To register for the Common Proficiency Test, CPT, for the Chartered Accountancy, CA, course, you can follow these steps. Visit the official website. Go to the official website of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, at www.icai.org. Create an account. If you don't have an account on the ICAI website, you need to create one. Look for the Register or Sign Up option on the website and provide the required information to create your account. Log into your account. Once you have created your account, log in using your credentials. Fill the registration form. After logging in, navigate to the Captain Registration section and fill out the registration form. You will need to provide personal details such as your name, date of birth, address, contact information, etc. Choose your study material. During the registration process, you will have the option to select the study material you prefer. You can either choose to receive the study material physically or opt for the digital version. Pay the registration fee. After filling out the form and selecting your study material, you will be required to pay the registration fee. The fee amount is subject to change, so make sure to check the current fee on the ICAI website. You can usually pay the fee online using various payment methods provided. Submit the form. After successful payment, submit the registration form online. You will receive a confirmation message or email regarding the successful submission of your registration form. Receive study material. If you have opted for physical study material, it will be sent to the address you provided during registration. If you chose the digital version, you may be able to download it from the ICAI website. That's it. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be registered for the captain examination. Make sure to keep a copy of the registration confirmation and payment receipt for future reference. It's also important to regularly check the ICAI website for updates and announcements related to the examination. Thanks for watching.